Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, LAN cards or NIC card or network card. So whenever you are using this NIC card, it's a network interface card in order to connect the computer to the external world. Now, examples. Examples means in the market, how you will they follow some standards as like ISO standards. They have their own standards. So display cards are coming like PCI cards, AGX cards. AGX card is nothing but a display card. PCI card. PCI is a standard, company standard. Who based on that device cards manufacturers. PCI cards, it may be a sound card, it may be a NIC card, or it may be a display card. But AGX, whenever they use, AGX is nothing but only meant for display cards. Now, how they mount it means how they will placed on motherboard. These expansion cards mounted on
Motherboard.
not motherboard. There is a motherboard. There is a on motherboard where they placed. Let's see it. Expansion cards placed on motherboard. They use a modules. They use the modules. This is called as modules. Can you see this pictures?
Yes, sir.
These are called as modules. These are the pictures. These are called as modules. They are placed on modules. They use the help of modules. Of course, the cards are there. The cards are there. These are the cards. Can you see this connection point?
Where?
These connection points. This
Yes,
will
sir.
be placed on the motherboard, but with the help of modules. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the keyboards. Okay, this is the part. What are the parts left here? Okay, overs this part. Now coming back to this virtual memory. So whenever it is virtual memory. Virtual memory is nothing but the extension of the hard disk. Part of hard disk space is utilized for
Virtual memory.
virtually in order to boost the RAM power. It is also temporary memory. As long as the computer turned on, it works. So hard disk space, some amount will be used as a booster package, add-on package. Okay, let me draw the picture here. Better, I will draw it in the MS Paint. This is the hard disk. This is the virtual memory, and this would be a RAM. What I will do is I will add the pictures here. I will add the picture. Take the diagram of hard disk. I'll take the diagram of RAM. RAM is nothing but a memory slot. Okay. Now, how does it work? What it will do, it will take a small amount of hard disk. This is the virtual memory. It is nothing but the additional space of the hard disk. Suppose hard disk has, let's consider 500 GB. Okay. Let's consider RAM has 8 GB RAM. 500 GB hard disk capacity or storage capacity, you can say. Okay. Now, virtual memory, how it's calculated? It's nothing but it will use a virtual memory size which is nothing but 1.5 times. Nothing but virtual memory is nothing but the size of VM is equal to VM means virtual memory is equal to 1.5 times of RAM size. Are you getting my point here?
Yes, sir.
How does it looks? Okay, let's consider. Example is, suppose it's a 8 GB RAM, 1.5 times into 8 GB. What is the size?
1200.
12,200.
No. 1.5 times means 1.5% increased. 1.5 times something but 150%. What is 150% of 8 GB? It's a simple maths. You can multiply it. 8 into 1.5. How much comes?
12 GB.
Oh, perfect. So 12 GB. So 12 GB is the size of virtual memory. Getting my point? Okay. This one.
Yes, sir.
This one I will take a snap. This is the your virtual memory. So you can just give it's a temporary memory used as booster package. Booster
Page.
memory helps the RAM to process or to increase the speed of transaction. So RAM already have 8 GB RAM. Suppose you are already working like a one of the as like a laborer. Suppose you will get one additional add-on like your supportive hand. How is your speed of work?
Increase.
That would be increased quietly. Suppose already we are doing 8 hours of job. For our same task, if they will give one more additional employee, they will deploy it or they will allocate it. What will happen? Our work, the 8-hour job, we can complete in 6 hours. So 2 hours rest we can take. Means speed of work would be faster. Getting? So it's also temporary. What do you mean by temporary? Volatile. Meaning is, as long as power is turned on, whatever information stored in that memory is available. Once the computer turned off, the water data is vanished. But the hard disk data is permanent. Virtual memory is also called as, if the time up, let me know, also called as paging memory. Just it's a different name. It's just a different name. Paging memory, or you can say just a paging. And virtual memory size can be modified or manually we can change it. Modified nothing but manually can be changed. But in the RAM size, we cannot change. Whatever we bought from the manufacturer, same size would be there. No matter whether it's hard disk or the RAM. But the virtual memory size can be changed. Where we can change, let me know if you can see the picture. Are you able to see my computer screen? So I'm in
Yes,
the
sir.
properties of the computer. This is the thing. I use a search word called as about. About nothing but it will take the computer configuration page. Here we'll go for this advanced system settings.